Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Thunderbolt perk is equipped and active. This matters because it changes recoil and timing. Next, you scan the map for sightlines and cover that favor range or close quarters depending on your weapon. Once done, warm up for 3 to 5 minutes with aim drills and a single practice 1v1 to sync muscle memory. You do these steps now so your inputs match the perk's altered behavior and you avoid wasted adjustments mid-match. You push engagements to the distance that suits your weapon archetype, short for SMGs, mid for ARs, long for marksmen. Then you match your burst timing to the Thunderbolt's recoil and damage cadence, short, controlled bursts for accuracy rather than long sprays. Meanwhile, mix in movement micro-feints to get opponents to commit and reveal aim patterns. This increases the chance your Thunderbolt hit lands first. Make sure to modulate pressure based on reload windows and your opponent's weapon swap speed. You close the duel by capitalizing on stagger or knockback, immediately punish with a short burst or melee if available, and reload cancel only when safe. If a Thunderbolt shot misses, reset distance and force a repeak on your terms to regain timing advantage. One key troubleshooting tip: if shots feel off, adjust your ADS sensitivity or aim assist by about 5 to 10% and retest. Small input tweaks often correct
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.